Hello friends, we're on day 4 of this Make.com Voiceflow AI build. Yesterday was a bunch of hiccups because I'm learning the process of Voiceflow. I'm very versed in Make.com, but Voiceflow not so much, but I was able to figure out the key piece. So even though it took me a few hours to figure out yesterday, today I was able to do so much more because I understood the process and how it works. So I'm going to be able to explain that to you much more, and I built some things out. So this is what we have so far. The same thing. So I didn't have it capture here with make.com. We went edit agent and we leaned on the AI chat to send that information to the scenario I have pulled here, which is the default variable. And I didn't need to collect that data information. It does it automatically because it sends it to make.com there. So what do we have here? We have minimum viable information collection. And we have this as well, which is to collect all the information, inputs to send. And so send all that information and document it in this CRM here. I'm going to make this all fancy at the end, but I just wanted something that's very basic. But pretty much the most powerful thing I've built out so far, so we have the full info, we have minimum info, is this thing. This is awesome. So I wanted to lean a lot on Make.com's AI as well. I didn't want to use too much of like out platforms other than Make.com because it is a Make.com challenge here. So for example, once we over here, let me show you the flow. So it's going to ask the client like what time to book in with, and then the client's going to give, or potential lead's going to give a bunch of times. So after that, it's actually really cool where it requests the time handle, parses the JSON, sets the date based off of the times given, like checks if it's available. If it is available, books in a video call and tells them in the Voiceflow AI that it's confirmed, or it books in a phone call. If not, it tells them that that we're busy and that we'll reach back out. So that will be in the notes here as well. So if we have it over here, we check here. So it's already, I tested it out and it booked an insurance inquiry with Harrison. And this is the phone number here. This is the client's name. So again, we've taken some leaps forward. And so as I'm going through this, I'm realizing in every single, the prompt does quite well, but I'm having to edit the prompts just to make it a little bit more bespoke curated to what I want. So for example, I have over here, like minimum info. The main thing with AI people are I don't want to lose a lead because they don't like the AI tech, whether that's phone call or message. So I wanted to automatically forward to the person's number. So this is like the advisor's number. This is like a catch-all, pretty much an admin. And again, I'm not eliminating completely the admin task. This is taking up 80%. So you can work on the better 20% of it. So that's what I have so far. So the next step pretty much is, let's see, maybe we should demo it for you. Yeah, let's demo it.
Hello, I'm here to help you with your financial and insurance needs. To get started, could you please let me know what specific financial or insurance matter you'd like assistance with today?
I want to get health insurance. I want to get health insurance. Let's play it out.
That's great. I'd be happy to help you with health insurance. To better assist you with finding the right health insurance plan, I'll need to collect some basic information from you. Could you please provide me with your name and email address?
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you, Harrison. I have your name and email address, harrisoncaldera@gmail.com. Now, I'd like to ask, have you worked with us before, or is this your first time?
First time.
Welcome, Harrison. I'm glad you chose us for your health insurance needs. To help me find the best health insurance options for you, could you tell me what state you're located in?
I'm in Ontario.
Thank you, Harrison. I have that you are located in Ontario.
That's correct.
Perfect. Now, I'd like to understand a bit more about your health insurance needs. Are you looking for coverage just for yourself, or do you need to cover family members as well?
Coverage for myself.
Great. So you're looking for individual health insurance coverage for yourself in Ontario. To help me find the most suitable options for you, could you tell me a bit about...
So I'm self-employed, so I'm just giving information to give off to the advisor there. I'm self-employed. So this is going to go through the testing a bit.
Perfect. I understand you're self-employed, which means you'll be looking for individual health insurance coverage rather than group coverage through an employer. As a self-employed person in Ontario, you have several options for health insurance. A few more questions to help me guide you to the right coverage. 1. Are you looking for coverage to supplement OHIP, Ontario's provincial health insurance? Or do you...
Supplement OHIP.
Excellent. So you're looking for supplementary health insurance to work alongside your OHIP. Perfect. So you're specifically interested in dental coverage to supplement your OHIP.
Yes. So I'm going to change this a bit. I'm going to ask less questions for sure. I wanted to go straight to the person. That's correct. Continue on. So we're going to debug this after. Okay. So let's do this. And I want to change this a bit. Let's go over here and ask GPT, please. It's asking to The prompt is asking too many questions. Let's streamline the chatbot. Ooh, that's not the best prompt, but let's see. Ask the user one question at a time. Okay, for vague answers. Never provide advice. Stop questions if the user, okay. If they want to know when to speak, hand off sequence, okay. Define main need. Let's see if that one. Ask one question. I start by asking what they need. Okay, let's try that. Boom. Start from the beginning. Test agent. And then we can see the log here.
Hello, I'm here to help you with financial and insurance matters. How can I assist you today? To better assist you, could you please provide your name and email address? Thank you, Harrison. I have your contact information. I'd be happy to help you with insurance options. Before we proceed, I need to ask, have you worked with us before, or is this your first time?
Nope.
Perfect. So this is your first time working with us. Welcome. Now, to help you find the right insurance solution.
Life insurance.
Great. Life insurance is an important way to protect your family's financial future. To help find the right life insurance for you, what's your budget range?
Let's go under 50.
Perfect. Under $50 a month is definitely workable for life insurance coverage.
If I say information, not details. Okay. All right, let's try this again. So it's getting stuck here. So again, I want to demonstrate that the booked call works and that we're pretty much good to go. So let's test the agent again.
Hello, I'm here to help you with any financial or insurance questions you may have. To get started, could you please let me know what specific financial or insurance matter you'd like assistance with today? Thank you, Harrison. I'm glad to help you with life insurance questions. Perfect. I have your contact information. Harrison and harrisoncaldera@gmail. Now, to better assist...
First time.
Great. Welcome on, Harrison. I'm excited to help you explore life insurance options for the first time. To make sure I provide you with the most relevant information, could you tell me what's your main area of interest today?
Insurance.
Perfect. Now, when it comes to life insurance specifically, what's driving your interest? For example, marriage to term life insurance.
Permanent.
Thank you, Harrison. I see you're interested in life insurance assistance, and I have your contact information. Perfect. I've captured your information. Harrison with email harrisoncaldera@gmail.com. And I understand you're looking into life insurance options as a prospective client. Now, to better assist you with your life insurance needs, have you worked with us before, or is this great? Welcome, Harrison. Since this is your first time working with us, I'd like to understand your main area of interest to make sure I connect you with the right specialist.
Okay, life insurance.
Now, within life insurance, what specific type are you most interested in, or what's driving your need for coverage? For example, term life insurance.
Okay, then it stops. So this is interesting. Let's go over here. So let's take a photo here and see what's going on. Let's ask chat. What's going on here? Let's go here. And then I'll say, can't get past the gather key details task or card. And then here's I'll say the prompt as well. Here's the prompt. Okay. And then also let me show info captured. So here are the exit conditions captured. So let's see if we can figure this out. I think it's because of this right here, looking at, some of the, what's going on here, but we will soon find out. I really want to get to here because I want to show you this part, this piece. Okay. One explicit and match your condition. Add something like this. Add something like this to the end of your gather key if you have enough info for a useful handoff. Okay. All right, let's go for it. Let's go for the beginning, though.
Hello, I'm here to help you get connected with the right advisor for your needs. Would you like to book a quick call with one of our advisors?
No, that's not what I want. Start.
Hello, I'm here to help you with any financial or insurance questions you may have. To get started, could you please let me know what specific financial or insurance matter you'd like assistance with today? Thank you, Harrison. I see you're interested in life insurance assistance. Perfect. I have your contact information. Harrison at harrisoncaldera@gmail.com. I'll connect you with one of our life insurance specialists who can help you explore your options and find the right coverage for your needs. Thank you for letting me know you're a new client, Harrison. Welcome. Since you're interested in life insurance, I'd like to understand what's prompting you to look into coverage now. Are you looking to protect your family's financial future? Planning for estate or business purposes? That's a great reason to explore life insurance, Harrison. Protecting your family's financial future is one of the most important steps you can take. Perfect. So around $100 per month works for your budget. Great. And what's your timeline for getting this coverage in place? Understood. You'd like to get coverage in place right away. Is there anything else about your situation or what you're looking for in life insurance coverage that you'd like me to know?
No, thank you.
Perfect. Let me confirm what I have for you. You're harrisoncaldera@gmail.com. A new client.
Awesome.
You're looking for life insurance to protect your family's financial future. Your budget is around $100 per month. You want to get coverage in place now. No additional details needed at this time. I'll connect you with one of our life insurance specialists who can help you find the right coverage for your family's needs and budget. Would you like to book a quick call with one of our advisors to discuss your life insurance options? Excellent. I'll set up a phone call for you with one of our life insurance advisors. Could you please provide your phone number and let me know your general availability? For example, are you available weekdays or weekends? Morning, afternoon, or evening?
Thursdays.
Any specific days or times that work best for you? I'll find a time that works with your schedule.
Yep.
Perfect. So, Thursday at 1 p.m. works for you. Could you please provide your phone number so our advisor can reach you?
Okay, so let me find the number. Let's see a fire.
Perfect. So I have you down for a phone call on Thursday at 1 p.m. Perfect. I'm just checking now to see if that time works. Great news. I've successfully booked your phone call appointment for Thursday, November 27th at 1 p.m. Eastern. Our life insurance advisor will call you at 647-857-8478 to discuss your coverage options and help you find the right protection for your family within your $100 a month budget.
Amazing.
Let me summarize everything to make
this.
sure I have all the details correct. Summary.
And then in leads, I'm going to put that in leads here.
Harrison, contact.
Correct. Okay. So I haven't figured this part out yet, but it should trigger this one with the full handoff. Let's go history. Ooh, did I put the inputs in yet? I did not. So yeah, right now, I'll put the inputs. Okay. Let me see here. If I can go history. Okay. So we have the inputs, notes, product type, budget, new type. And then last one is phone. Awesome. Save. Oh, that's right. Meeting underscore type, product underscore type. Save. Let's make that bigger. Meeting type, budget, notes. Okay. Let's see if this works.
Hello, I'm here to help you get connected with one of our financial advisors. To ensure we match you with the right advisor and they're prepared for your consultation, I'll need to collect some information from you. Let me start by getting your basic contact details. 1, what's your full name?
Okay.
2, what's your email address? 3, great. Thank you, Harrison. I have your contact information. Name, Harrison Caldera. Email, harrisoncaldera@gmail.com. Phone, 939-847-8574. Now, let me ask about your financial needs and preferences. 4, what type of financial product or service are you most interested in? For example, investment planning, retirement planning, insurance, mortgage, lending. Perfect. I have all the information I need. Let me send your details to our system to match you with the right advisor.
Okay, let's see if this works. Amazing. Okay, we have everything we need here. Great. So we have this. We have the minimum handoff. We have the full handoff, like if it's incomplete there. And then obviously, like over here, if it's incomplete, it's going to be complete or incomplete, depending. And if it's incomplete, then I can just reach back out and get that information there. Okay. Now it's time to build out some more scenarios. Let's do the easiest one first, I feel. Okay, so we have here. All right, so we have all this information. Let's just do a router because there's a few things I want to do here. So the first thing is I want to create a Notion database there. I think I'm going to have to add, so connection type public, Harrison, and then I'll put the date, November, I think 20, save, select pages, back. Okay, let's go Automadium builds because it's in there. Okay, ID finder. I'm going to query, what is it called? It is called leads, just called leads. Okay, super basic. ID source, nothing found. Okay, let's just go query search. Data source, do I want to get the data ID? I mean, I could, it's right here. All right, I think this is it here. I haven't done this manually for a while, so this might be correct. It might not be. Is it in Automadium builds? Okay, it's not. They recently changed their setup, their API here in Notion. So I need to figure this part out. This is the legacy one. Okay, what if I did legacy? Because that's what I know for now. And I would have to update database ID. Oh, again, I don't think that'll connect because I don't have that connected. Go here, 24, search lead. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so name, Harrison, phone, meeting type, phone. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Meeting type, phone number, I see email. Great, notes, type of product, and then meeting date. We can do that later. What is the type I put here? Complete, so that would be complete. Or let's map it, complete, budget, great, booking confirmation, thank you email. So we're also going to send a thank you email. So let's switch that up and we'll say thank you email is sent. No. Okay, let's do email, send an email. Let's do plain text, sent to email, query, thank you, name, for contacting us. Also, there's a formula that I want to pull from one of my other builds here. Let's go here. If I go to, where is it? My archives, like a bunch of stuff that I've built. Let's just make sure I got this correct. Let's go here, tools. No, is it here? Nope. No, here. Okay, first. So let's pull, depending if they pull So this is a great formula that you could use depending on if they put the first and last name. This just pulls the first name, just to make it super professional. And then we go first name, right? Thank you for reaching out. We'll be in contact the next 24 hours. Best each. Great. Thank you. Email. Okay. And now we can actually update data source item. I'm going to use legacy because that's what I know. This is the database ID here. Copy there. Okay. And yes, sent a thank you email, database item. Okay, this is a little bit advanced make stuff here. So I'm going to pull from my other stuff as well because I remember I did this before. I just want to make sure I, do it correctly. So I have to get variables. We have to set a variable and then we have to get a variable. So if I go over to here, if I go over to my archives here and let's go here. See over here where you can set a variable, set variables. Okay, so I'm going to set, that's right, I'm going to set variable. Okay, and I'll just say database ID, value, database ID. And now when it comes here, we can actually pull it. So we have to get a module, get variable, database ID. And now, if I remember this correctly, we can get preferred date. Right, so I have to go here and get boom, boom, 10, what did I call it? Database ID, about, yay, that should work now. There we go, that's better. Okay, and make sure this is from the right person. This is from BCM. I don't want BCM. I want my name. Okay, great, boom. So it logs everything in the CRM. So I think we have everything we need right now to log everything in the CRM to reach out. The next thing we need to do is, like I could do this tomorrow, I don't have to do this today, is get an email sent. An email is going to be sent to them with like here. We're going to do a router here, then email, router here, and then email, send email, right? Send email. And then here, again, I don't want a router here. I just want to send email. That's okay. We're getting somewhere. Oh yeah, because that's the return output. So it wouldn't make any sense. So let me just do it before, but I don't want that. So I have to unlink. Let's see if this works. No, I have to, that's how you have to do it. It's a little bit workaround. There we go. Send email. Perfect. Delete. That's looking better. And then if you had a sales team, you could message the sales team in Slack and be like, yo, this is an incoming lead. Like I did over here. It was pretty dope. Let's see if there's any cool Slack things, because I don't know if your advisor team is in Slack at the moment. Build age input, onboarding submission completed. Let me see what's going on here. Team notification. Yeah, that's a cool one. Copy. Something I built out a while ago. So I'm just stacking pretty much. How can I connect these? So each of these, I'm gonna have to do this as well, but each of these, this would be the same thing as this. So I can actually do minimum handoff here, do a router. Each of them can call maybe a scenario, like at the very end, like call make doc run a scenario. Okay. And then each of them can run the team scenario maybe. We'll see. We'll just build something basic for now. I think I'm getting ahead of myself. So get the minimum handoff info, the maximum handoff info, and then we have the advisor booking. Okay, so we're almost there. We're almost set. And then it's going to update our CRMs. Okay, I'm good for there. So thank you for being here with me for day 4. We tested out the UI, made some improvements, made some adjustments to the chatbot there, and then we were able to dial in and I showed you how to do the inputs and outputs for make.com and how to connect that. It's pretty easy once you figure it out. The next thing we did is we dialed in the make.com scenarios there. So a bunch of the scenarios in make.com, they were receiving the information. Then it was my job to configure it. And that was pretty easy because I'm pretty well versed with make.com at this point. And now the next thing is putting the cherry on top. So just making sure everything goes to where it is. And we're pretty much almost there. Also added the call forwarding. Thank you so much for being here with me day 4 of the build. I'm excited because we have 5, 6, 7. I think we have more days than that, but I just made a time for myself 7. Maybe I can just make it super OP. I don't know how else I could do that, but I'm just going to keep going with it. And again, keep a lookout for, I'm going to do a tutorial. I find that it could have been really helpful having this information before, like how to do this. And so maybe I'll just do one video back to front on how to build it as well if you're interested in the comments. Thank you so much for being here with me, and day 4 complete.